My CV really needs some work and I am about to update it. Do you have any tips to make the perfect CV?
Absolutely. In this section, we're going to see how to make the best version of your CV for your job hunt. Crafting a perfect CV or resume is essential in today's competitive job market.
A CV or resume is a document that summarizes your academic background, skills, and qualifications for potential employers. Having a strong CV is crucial to stand out and demonstrate your value as a candidate.
Now that we've made the presentations, let's talk about what an ideal CV should look like. First things first, it should include a CV summary or objective right after your name. This section provides a quick and concise summary of why you're the right person for the job. The summary could be a short headline or a more detailed paragraph or bullet points.
Your CV should always have your contact information at the top, including your name, email address. And make sure your email address looks professional, and phone number. You can also add links to your LinkedIn, website, or portfolio.
In the education section, detail your academic background by mentioning the diplomas, degrees, and certifications you have, the schools and universities you attended, the name of your course, and qualifications, as well as the subjects and modules you've taken if relevant to the job.
The skills section should include both hard and soft skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Hard skills are specific and quantifiable skills like language proficiency, typing speed, or computer software knowledge. Soft skills are personal qualities like flexibility, patience, and time management.
Finally, list your work experience by highlighting your most important responsibilities and achievements for each job. Don't forget to use numbers and metrics to quantify your achievements and show the impact you made in previous roles. Keep it concise and easy to read.
An ideal CV should be no more than 1 to 2 pages long, and should give recruiters a clear idea of why you're a great fit for the job in just a few seconds. Use bullet points to highlight key accomplishments and responsibilities. This makes it easy for recruiters to scan and quickly identify your qualifications. Tailor your resume to each specific job posting. Proofread your resume carefully for errors. Even small typos or formatting issues can make a negative impression on recruiters. And finally, save your resume as a PDF to ensure that the formatting stays consistent across different devices and platforms.
To make a great impression with your CV, it's also important to pay attention to formatting. Choose a professional-looking font and stick to a simple, easy-to-read layout. Avoid using too many graphics or images as they can be distracting and make it difficult for ATS. More on that later. To scan your resume.
Understanding how to use the right keywords for application tracking systems, also known as ATS, is also crucial. Many companies use an applicant tracking system to scan resumes for specific keywords before they ever reach a human recruiter.
Some popular ATS include Workday, Lever, Greenhouse, or Bamboo HR. Incorporating relevant keywords throughout your CV can increase your chances of making it past the initial screening process.
To use the right keywords for ATS, review the job posting carefully and make a list of the most important skills and qualifications listed. Then, incorporate those keywords throughout your CV in a natural and organic way. Avoid simply copying and pasting keywords into your resume, as this can come across as disingenuous and make it difficult for recruiters to read.
Now, let's look at an example of how to incorporate keywords into a resume. Imagine that you're applying for a job as a marketing coordinator, and the job posting emphasizes the need for candidates with experience in social media marketing. Here's an example of how you might incorporate that keyword into your resume.
Managed social media accounts for a local restaurant, increasing engagement by 50% over 6 months.
In this example, the keyword social media is incorporated naturally into a bullet point that highlights a relevant accomplishment, which is great for both application tracking systems and human recruiters.
Overall, formatting a resume and using the right keywords for ATS can take some effort, but it's essential to making sure that your qualifications are seen by human recruiters. By following best practices and tailoring your resume to each specific job posting, you can increase your chances of landing an interview and ultimately, the job you want.
Finally, if you want to create a nice-looking CV without the headache, you can use a website like canva.com to create a stunning resume for free. Check out the resources sections for CV templates.